about garage organization. And if you would have seen my garage before, which you will, it was so it needed some major love. Basically, it's become like a dumping zone over the last few months, maybe even a year. And with the flip home and like other decor stuff and me just trying to get my life together, I needed to get a system in place so that I could get my car in there, things will be put away, I can see what I have, and just get it all together. So I'm gonna be taking you along that whole process. Make sure to subscribe to my channel by Sophia Lee. I do so many organization and decorating videos, etc. More, I don't know, decorating, organizing, cleaning, all the good stuff. Let me show you the before of the garage so you can see what we were working with.
Okay, this is the current garage. It is literally a dumping zone. Like, there is no organization in this whatsoever. I literally drop things off here all the time. Like, this is just always full with so many random stuff. I mean, we have kayaks that my dad got us. That's actually a funny story. We like mentioned, Ben and I mentioned it once during COVID that we wanted kayaks because we were bored, and my dad ran with the idea, got us them for Christmas. We're so grateful, but now we have kayaks that we still have yet to use a year later. Shelby has all of her college apartment stuff here, so I need to go through that with her because I feel like a lot of it can be like thrown away or donated. A ton of decor, like holiday decor that has just zero method to it whatsoever. Cornhole boards, pool noodles, chairs, carpets from my Rugs USA thing, like so many random stuff. I have so many returns to do. This place is really just a hot mess. I feel like once we get it organized and have like a method to the madness, it'll actually work really, really well. It's just like figuring out what to do with all this is above my head.
Alright, so I needed to get a decent amount of stuff in here, and since I've had this garage for a year now, I kind of know like exactly what needs to go in there just from the amount of stuff that's like sitting on the floor or just needs a home. And so I was able to like create a floor plan basically. Like, I just drew it up in Canva, and I have 12 feet to work with and then 20 feet on the side, so it's just a single car garage. But I wanted to get like multiple shelves in there, so Costco was having a sale on shelves, so I was able to do 3 in the back, so that fits perfectly back there, and then have 2 on the side. So in these 5 shelves that we have, I need it to fit Christmas decor, like holiday decor in general, so Christmas decor, Easter decor, Valentine's Day decor, fall decor, Halloween decor, all the holidays. I need to fit Shelby, my sister, who part-time kind of lives with me when she's not at school. She needs a box to put her life into. She gets 1 box. I need a decor box, like flip home boxes, because I'm going to be getting a lot of like staging stuff for the flip home. Collect them there. Utilities, paintbrushes, outdoor games, chairs. I have a ton of rugs, just like random stuff all needs to fit in there. I need to get my car in there, obviously, and then I have stuff that I want to go on the wall, I think. So we have like wreaths that are just like laying on top of each other, and then I forget what I have, so I want to get those on the actual wall. I have a cornhole board that I made. I have ladders, shovels for winter. I'm trying to think. So those are just the things that I'm trying to fit into the actual garage. Ben's mom is reluctantly on camera. No, but she's helping me set up shelves, so thank you. Cheers. Cheers to setting up shelves. We've got the 3 set up. It was pretty easy, right? Like, it wasn't hard, but if I had to do it alone, I'm so glad she's here because I wouldn't have been able to. But we have the 3 back here, and then I think we're gonna put the 2, like 1 on that side. That's the original one.
and then one on this other side, but it does look a little weird from the front, but it's fine. Like once all of this is out and I can get my car in here, it'll be so nice. All right, so day 3 now, and I'm ready to get this wrapped up because it's just taking too long. So my plan for today is to finish, and it's also really hot. I'm like sweating right now, as you can probably tell. But I have those Canva like images of what I'm doing on my phone. Okay, one of my favorite things to do when organizing like literally anything is I'll take pictures of the space and then I'll bring them into Canva and I'll like mark out the different size containers that I want to use and where I want things to go, just so I have like a general plan when I buy things to make sure that like I'm not buying too much or too little. I just send them to my phone then after they're done, and so like when I'm out in the garage I can literally just see exactly like where things go instead of being like, oh, I think I want this there, and then it just helps me have more of a plan. And then what I'm going to do is I bought like $1.5 million. Costco was having a sale on these containers, so I like basically bought them out of them. So I'm gonna get all of these set up where I want them to go and then start loading them up with things. And so my hope is that most of this floor space, which is just covered with like random stuff, is going to be put away into these, and then the rest of like the extra stuff I'll have more of an idea on, like, okay, I know the cornhole boards are going onto here. On Amazon I bought a Christmas tree back just so we can have like a better look at them. And then when everything is put away in their boxes, the lighting sucks, I am going to go make labels just so it's like extremely clear where everything is. But I don't want to make the labels right now because like, what if I don't need as much space for Christmas as I think I do? Or what if I need more space for Easter? You know, like random stuff like that. So let's get all of these boxes set up and things put away.
Okay, so they're all placed. So my thought process is that this is going to be like the decor section slash Shelby stuff is going to stay here while she's at college. So she has one for all of her things. And then the rest is going to be for like the flip home and then just decor stuff for like staging. This is the entire Christmas section. So I don't have enough stuff for like to fill all of this with Christmas right now. But I wanted to have enough bins so that like in the future if I do get more, there's always space for it to go. These are like the smaller holidays like Easter, Halloween, or not, no, just like Easter, Valentine's Day, like random stuff like that, 4th of July. This is going to be fall and Halloween. I kind of forget what these two are for. Maybe those are extras. And then this is like outdoor games, random outdoor stuff like chairs, and then we'll have paint, and then like my miter saw, I always call it meter saw. And then I think that's empty up there. Up here will be for my rugs that are like just dangling. Over there we'll have the Christmas tree over here, the Christmas space right here. So I think I'm like sweating so bad. Like so bad. But I think this is a good plan. And now I actually think that like I'm done with the longest part of this. I don't think that filling them up will take that long, so I guess we'll find out. Going through all the Christmas stuff right now, and I'm so excited. This is making me like very excited about Christmas. Like, look at all this. Oh my god, I can't wait. Actually, I can wait. I need summer to last a little longer, but still so excited. You can't tell I woke up sick this morning, so I'm like, my nose is so stuffy. Okay, I'm sitting in Ben's car in the air conditioning. But I just picked these up from like our shipment drop-off space. I don't know, but I ordered them from Amazon, and it's the finishing touches to the garage. So I have a lot of like those cornhole, I have wreaths and different things that I feel like I can utilize like the wall space for, that just wouldn't be like, they're just leaning up against the wall right now, which is like totally fine. But I'm trying to get like uber organized. So this, I can't even remember how much it was on Amazon. I feel like $19. But it's just these things that I'm gonna put into the wood on the wall. I feel like since it's a garage, it doesn't really matter that I'm putting holes in there. But I'm hoping like these will hold up the wreaths on the wall, and then like these big ones will do the cornhole boards. I don't know, just different things like that. And I'm just laughing because this garage looks like a 15-year-old, 45-year-old mom. But here I am putting up my shot ski. So you can still tell that I'm 23. But like literally I might put it right there to conserve space. I gotta use this more often. All right, this was the biggest of the process because this took I was like 8 o'clock at night on a Friday, aka yesterday, and we were just over it, and I was like, why am I doing this on a Friday night? But I used my Cricut, which I love to death, but it was just like, for some reason the letters weren't coming off, so we got through a majority of the labels that like we needed to, but we didn't put them all on just because it was like getting annoying. We were hangry. But the labels do make it look so much better, and I do eventually want to finish putting the labels on everything because I think it is so helpful to know like exactly where things go, especially for the black bins where like you can't actually see inside of it. So that will be a project for later on, but I did get some of them on and they do look really good. We have made an executive decision to not do any more labels because they are bitches to do.
They are very tough.
Do you think that we should just do the ones that have stuff in it? Well, now like half of them have labels.
Oh, it's almost like I said that right away, but somebody's like, oh.
I didn't know it was going to be this annoying. It was not annoying in the pantry.
I said.
So here it is, the final product, which it feels like a warehouse, right, Shelby?
Yeah, it
Shelby's
does.
recording it. All right, so we had to keep the lovely kayaks in here, and there's just really not a better way to store them, so we love them. I think we might use them for the first time today, actually. Okay, so all of these shelves from Costco are awesome, and they were on sale for 80 bucks, which for shelves like this is like so good. Okay, so we have the Christmas tree and the Christmas tree bag, which rolls, so that's amazing. These, I'm gonna put tops on them still, but these are just like extra bins. Basically anything empty is extra. 3 for like 10, 3, I think it's 3 for $13. Everything's from Costco actually. This is like all decor. So this is like the decor pretty section. On the ground I have like mirrors and stuff that doesn't fit. Maybe I shouldn't be kicking that, but I love these because I can just see like exactly what I have into them. This is like the Christmas section, so everything here is Christmas, and I have like extra space to load up stuff. I have a memory bin. I don't know what I'm gonna use that for.
I like that you got clear bins so you can see what's in them.
I know, that's why I did it, because I hate that we couldn't see what was in the black ones. This is like the holiday section, and this is so funny to me because it's just like so empty. But I'm in my first apartment, so I figure like over the years I'll collect more and more stuff, and I want to have a place for it to go. So we have like Easter, Valentine's, 4th of July, St. Patrick's Day, New Year's, and then more extra we're really working with a lot of extra here. So maybe I didn't need all of these shelves, but I hate mismatched things, so I wanted to get them all at one time. We have Thanksgiving, fall, Halloween, more extra, and then this is more like the unpretty utility section. So we have like outdoor games, winter, Wisconsin stuff like hockey skates that are dad's. Don't know why they're here.
What?
I know, I'm not really sure. This is all of the paint stuff, other like decorating stuff. Like I think this will be so nice because I'm going to organize Lauren and Corin, my friends. We're going to like redo their bathroom, and I'll just like take this entire thing with me. So I need to mind everything. Okay, tools. I'm getting a miter saw, so that's gonna go right here. Pool noodles. Okay, this is like probably one of the things I think is smartest. We have these wreaths that I just put on the wall like that. My shot ski. So I'm not a 45-year-old woman. I've already said that, but I think it's funny. Cornhole things on the wall. What is this called?
A ladder?
A ladder.
Oh my god.
And then a shovel, and then this goes to bed, so pretend that's not even here. But that's how, does it like so much better, right?
It looks so good.
So much better. And that is the garage organization transformation. Talk about a mouthful, but I am like so obsessed with how this looks. Every time I organize this space, I just like go into it all the time and just like stare because I'm so excited about it. So I can't wait to like drive in and just not be like stressed out about how there's stuff all over the ground. I think it just is very practical. You can see everything. It can grow. It's kind of hilarious about how some of the bins are just like so empty. Like I do not like the Easter bin. It just has like nothing in it. The Halloween bin. But I think that's perfect for me because it can grow with me. I really wanted to make sure that I was putting together something that like wasn't already filled and I could add stuff to it and it wouldn't like end up on the ground, you know? So I'm super excited about it. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. I do a ton of organization, decorating videos, cleaning videos every once in a while. It's basically like, this sounds lame, but I'm the millennial Martha Stewart. Like I really do encompass all of the like, I'm like a millennial girl boss housewife, if that makes sense. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram at @BySophiaLee, and I will see you at the next video.